First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. OSK, Old School Kings. Today's vlog, we're gonna be painting some wheels. The wheels used to be chrome when I bought them. I bought them for 400 bucks, some 24s. They was all scuffed up and scratched up, so it wasn't worth trying to repair some chrome. So I sanded them down and painted the wheels, but it's kind of a rush job. So today I'm gonna go back and repaint the rims and kind of like, you know, bring them back to life. Stay tuned.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
All right, so I got the wheels scuffed up pretty good. And the reason I'm not going with a primer this time because they already been previously painted before, so I'm not going to use a primer this time. I'm not going to use the tires, so I'm not going to take the tires up this time either. But got my sanding done. Using this little Rust-Oleum sander. Started with a 400 grit, then I went to 1,000 grit. Now I'm gonna wipe the dust off of them and get started.
Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
All right, you guys, so we got the wheels sanded. We got them cleaned up, we got them taped up and ready to paint. And if y'all hear how tired I am in my voice, because I had to take the wheels off the car. I had to bring the wheels over here, get them ready, get them prepped. I'm trying to keep the channel as budget friendly as possible, but as soon as y'all help me get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm looking to get me a garage, a shop. I'm looking into getting me some better jack stands, you know, all the stuff that I need, because I'm not young like I used to be. But yeah, as soon as y'all help me get to 1,500 subscribers, we're gonna take a trip to Harbor Freights and we're gonna get some power tools. We're gonna get some air tools, some power tools, some jacks, some jack stands. And once I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm looking into getting me a shop, and I'm tired. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna do it a better way. We're gonna make it easier this time. All right, so I got the wheels pretty much taped up, you know, ready to go.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN.
All right, so we got the first coat.
First impression.
Got the first coat sprayed up on them, and gonna let it dry. Let it dry and come back and put a second coat on them. And you gonna roll with them. All right, you guys, the wheels done dried. About to check out the first coat and see what it looked like. We're gonna apply the second coat and let it dry again before we pull the masking tape off. Alright, not too bad. So we're gonna apply the second coat.
Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
I done peeled all the tape off the wheels. And you guys see how it looked. Center cap on. So if you see a cheap set of rims, you know, on the Facebook marketplace, $300, $400, scratched up, scuffed up, and you know, they're salvageable. If they're wheels that you like, you know, get some paint, sand them, tape them down, and you know, get a cheap set of wheels to start out with anyway, you know what I mean? If you can use those wheels to ride with until you get you some Ruchis or whatever, you know, you can do that too, but this is a budget build, so I'm gonna be rolling with these for at least probably another year. Maybe, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, subscribers, and we trying to get us a garage, man. This is kind of, you know, it's old fashioned, you know.
Take that high road and hop in.